Why does my computer run out of storage?
Running out of storage happens when your PC or laptop fills up with files, apps, and system data. This can slow down your device and make it hard to save new files or install updates. Understanding what uses your space is the first step to freeing up storage and improving your computer's performance.
How do I find what's taking up space?
Open your computer's storage settings to view a breakdown of what's using space. On Windows, go to Settings, System, Storage. On a Mac, check Apple menu, About this Mac, Storage. You'll see categories like Photos, Documents, and Apps. This insight helps you decide what to delete or move.
What files are safe to delete?
The temporary files, old downloads, and recycle bin contents are usually safe to remove. Empty your recycle bin and clear out your downloads folder regularly. You can also delete leftover installation files and browser cache. Avoid deleting unknown files or system folders, as these may be important for your computer to run properly.
How can I use built-in cleaning tools?
Most PCs and laptops have built-in tools for cleaning. On Windows, use Disk Cleanup or Storage Sense to delete temporary files and system clutter. On a Mac, use Manage Storage options to optimize and empty trash automatically. These tools are easy to use and help safely free up space.
Should I uninstall unused programs?
Yes. Removing unused programs is a great way to reclaim storage. Go to your apps list and settings, review what you rarely use, and uninstall them. Some programs take up a lot of space, especially games and professional software. Uninstalling frees up room and can help your computer run faster.
What about storing files elsewhere?
To keep more space free, move photos, videos, and large files to external drives or cloud storage services like OneDrive or Google Drive. This lets you access important files without them taking up room on your computer. Make sure you have backups so nothing gets lost.
How can I prevent running out of space again?
Regular maintenance is key. Clean up downloads, empty your recycle bin, and review your storage monthly. Consider enabling automatic storage management tools. Storing large files in the cloud and uninstalling unused programs helps keep your PC or laptop running smoothly and prevents future shortages.